guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create bloody hands on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all, I'm going to wear socks. Hand socks. So we can go to this area, and I'm going to use this hand socks. Alright, and I'm going to remove the fur. Okay, and we're going to apply a pattern to make it like bloody hands. We can go to the pattern and you can choose this one to create bloody hands. Okay, and to make it natural, I'm going to apply a suit. Here I'm going to choose this one. For example, you can choose another outfit, but I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and this is the final result, guys. As you can see, the bloody hands have been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create bloody hands on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.